Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is short and long vowels. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. Our objectives for this lesson are: the first one, to recognize short and long vowel sounds; the second one, to read words with short vowel sounds; and the last one, to read words with long vowel sounds. Let's start. The vowel letters are A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. As we know, each vowel letter has two sounds, long and short. And now we'll start with short vowel A. Short vowel A, such that hat, hat, hat. Cat, cat, cat. Van, van, van. Hat, cat, van. Hat, cat, van. Now we will talk about short vowel O. Let's start. Short vowel O, such that dog, dog, dog. Frog, frog, frog. Log, log, log. Dog, frog, log. Dog, frog, log. Repeat again. Dog, frog, log. And now we will talk about short vowel I. Let's start. Short vowel I, such that big, big, big. Fish, fish, fish. Fig, fig, fig. Now we will talk about short vowel E. Let's start. Short vowel E. Ben, ben, ben. Bed, bed, bed. Net, net, net. Repeat. Ben, bed, net. Ben, bed, net. Long vowel U. short U sound, such that dug, duck, duck, sun, 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 cup, cup, cup. Now, let's start to solve this exercise. Find the short E vowel sound. We have here snake, tube, bell. The short E vowel sound is bell. Find the short U vowel sound. We have here frog, sun, cube. The short U vowel sound is sun, sun. As we know, each vowel letter has two sounds. And now we'll start with long vowel A. Long vowel A. Cake, cake, cake. Bake, bake, bake. Cage, cage, cage. Now we will talk about long vowel O. Long vowel O. Nose, nose, nose. Rose, rose, rose. Bone, bone, bone. Nose, rose, bone. Now we will talk about long vowel I. Long vowel I, such that kite, kite, kite. 9, 9, 9. Bike, bike, bike. Kite, 9, bike. Kite, 9, bike. Kite, 9, bike. Long vowel E. Long vowel E, such that B, B, B. Sleep, sleep, sleep. 3, 3, 3. B, sleep, 3. B, sleep, 3. B, sleep, 3. Now we will talk about long vowel U. let's start. Long vowel U. Cube, cube, cube. Tube, tube, tube. Huge, huge, huge. Cube, tube, huge. Tube, cube, tube, huge. Cube, tube, huge. Now, let's start to solve this exercise. Find the long A vowel sound. Long A. We have here snake, tube, bell. Yes, the long vowel sound is snake. Snake. Find the long U vowel sound. We have here frog, frog. Sun, sun. Cube, cube. Yes, the long U vowel sound is cube, cube. Thanks for watching. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.